We've all heard the term 24/7. I want you to listen to what I'm saying and think of 24/7 in a different way. And hopefully this will help. 24 hours in a day, 7 days a week, correct? That means that 168 hours in a week. Out of that 168 hours in a week, most people spend 40 hours a week going to work. So you work for a company, helping somebody else reach their dreams and live their dreams, hopefully yours too, with 40 hours a week, if you work an average week, which is what most Americans do. Of that 40 hours a week, you're going to sleep what? Out of that 40 hours a week, you're going to also need sleep. Out of those 7 days, that's what? 56 hours. So 56 hours, if you sleep 8 hours a day, is how much time that you sleep. Add that together, that is what? 96 hours. So out of that 96 hours, if I subtract 96 from 168, I end up with 72 hours. 72 hours is all that you have to spend with your family, your loved ones, the people you care about, to work on your dreams, your personal goals, your health, your fitness. In that, we also have to look at how much time it took you to get back and forth to work, okay? Eating, time again that you spend with your family or spend on self-care, fitness, all those different things. And the time that's remaining is the time that you have left to have and live the life that you want to live. That's all you got. So, whole week, 168 hours. Average workday, 40 hours a week, not counting transportation, okay? And not counting eating, lunch, all of those different things. And then after that, you end up with what? Sleep, 56 hours. Out of those 56 hours, if you sleep 8 hours a day, which is what they recommend, you still have what left after that? So after that 96 hours, you have 72 hours to live your life, to work on your dreams, your goals, your aspirations, and to reach and become the person that you want to be. So when I share information with you, I'm sharing it with you so that I can get you to understand that there's certain things that you need to do for you to reach your goals. There's certain things that you need to do and take responsibility for, because nobody's going to do it for you. Nobody's going to make your dream come true for you. And if they do, you're extremely lucky, and you're part of the very, very, very few. Because most people, every day when they get up, their number one concern is themselves. Their number one goal is themselves. Their number one mission is themselves. So, find your place. Take this as you can take it. I hope this information helps you, because I want to be one of the people that actually help you to grow, help you to reach your goal, and help you to succeed. This is Mr. Z Inspires, and you guys have a great day. And thank you for listening. I appreciate you. Be well.